Hey guys, in this video, well, I'm going to be reviewing another one of my kids' meal toys from Mexico. And so, well, I'm going to be choosing the one this time. Well, I decided to choose one again. So, yeah. And also, a little bit of a reminder here, you guys. Don't forget to leave any questions you have for me down in the comment section below. That way they can be featured in my upcoming Q&A. And remember, the deadline is January 31st, 2021. So that's on Sunday by the time I'm recording this. So anyways, now I'm gonna choose one from here. I have my eyes closed, so I'll pull them out, and I'll pull the toy out in 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Alright, and I got Minions. And I actually have 2 of these, so I'll have one to open and one to keep in the package. So I'll open this one up because I feel like this one is sort of in better condition. Yeah, I'm not saying that these two aren't in good condition. They have a few marks on them, like inside. So I'm gonna open this one. So I'll be right back with these 2 Minions opened up. So here they are out of the package. They look great. So first off, I think I'll start with this disco dancing minion. We'll call it the disco dancing minion because, well, he's probably my least favorite. Not saying that he's bad, but I mean, this one, come on. So anyway, so these toys are just like figurines, so they don't do anything. They're just plastic figures. But that's alright with me because I'm a Minion fan and I love Minions. And so let's look at some details on him. So he's wearing a blue disco dancing suit, like he's at a disco or something, and he has his arms moving, even though they don't move. And there's his expression. I'm not sure what kind of expression that is. Come on, the camera's getting a bit blurry. Yeah, whatever. So, I'm not sure who this Minion is. I'm guessing it's Kevin, like, who was, one of the main characters from the prequel of Despicable Me, Minions. Hold on, let me go get him. Alright, I'm back, and here's Kevin here for comparison. So, they both have the same hair, and the same style. That's pretty much all that I can compare with these two. There's another Minion that has like the same, sort of like model like this one and Kevin, and his name is Tim. I know that he's one of the Minions, but I don't have the toy that was released in 2013 for Despicable Me 2. But anyways, now moving on to this Firefighter Minion. So here he is. He's my favorite because I like the colors on him. I like the red hat, and it says the number 15 on it. So, and he has the fire hose wrapped around his body waist, so I guess he was trying to put out fire, but he couldn't. And this reminds me of one of my favorite scenes from Despicable Me 2. Spoiler alert to those who haven't seen the movie yet. I'll put the time where you can skip in the description below. because I don't know how to edit it into this video. So this reminds me of the scene where Gru is practicing to ask Lucy out on the date, but then he gets all stressed out, so he lights his telephone on fire, and then the minions come in to put the fire out, and one of the minions is like, beat up, beat up, beat up. So yeah, I really like that scene. So yeah, that's pretty much all for this minion right here. It looks pretty neat. So let me bring in the disco dancing minion. Alright. Well guys, that's all which I'll do for this video. And if you guys want me to review another one of my kids meal toys from Mexico, let me know in the comments below. And make sure to leave any comments you have down below if you have any for the upcoming Q&A. And so, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.